Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be showing you the two best tools I find for weeding. First of all, got my hoe here. Always keep it nice and sharp. What I tend to do with this is use this for areas. I'll get the back here, back of this bed of poppies, but I don't want to be walking or disturbing anything. I use a file for keeping this sharp. All you have to do then is just chop the heads off. It will take you a few goes to get rid of the persistent weeds, but don't worry about it, they will go. Like, just get in between here, like so. Really nice and precise once you've had a bit of practice with it. I'm surprised how close to the other plants you can actually get. Like so. In the back there. But yeah, what I like to do with this is keep it nice and sharp. In the winter, spray it with a little bit of oil before it goes away into the greenhouse or the shed. That way you're keeping the rust off. Rust is not the best thing when you're trying to weed. But yeah, look at that, just nice and chop the heads off like so. That way you keep on top of everything. And then what I tend to do with my rake is, I've already raked this here. As you can see here, these are a lot smaller weeds. This, give it a rake like so, and then this pulls all the little weeds up when you've got bigger areas. Detaches the roots and just makes it a lot easier to keep on top of the weeds. Also giving it a really good weed in there. So yeah, really easy way of doing it. Saves you a lot of time and effort. You don't have to get down on your hands and knees, and you're not knackering your knees and your back up. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.